Hey, YouTubers and toy train lovers, particularly you tin platers and lovers of the wonderful colors on the Marx trains and the lithography. Uh, I'm sure most of you are aware that in 1935, Lionel put out a clockwork version of a Mickey Mouse circus train, and you will see that on the front of this box. I just received this train today. This is the top of the box, and it shows the train, but it also shows this wonderful tent, which of course I did not get. This was made out of cardboard, and there are very few left. You got a freestanding Mickey, who is considered to be like a circus barker, to entice you to go into the tent, and a billboard on the left. And the train had an animated Mickey who appeared to be shoveling coal. He would be a stoker, and he'd be shoveling coal into the engine. And you can see Mickey right here with his coal shovel. And here it is, new, never run. I just ran it around the track earlier today. I have to run on the 027 on the inside, or the actuation for Mickey will not work. The actuation lever. And there's a little lever over here that works when you go over the railroad ties. It makes it look like he's shoveling coal. And also I should mention, in the original Lionel version, I forgot to mention, Lionel made this train. You would have had Lionel lines, a plaque on the side. You would have had a bell up front. This does not have a bell. This does not have a headlight. Of course, it's a copy of a clockwork train. You wouldn't expect a headlight. And where it says Pride right here, it would have read Lionel, but if you were lucky enough to get one of these Lionel sets now, Mickey would be falling apart. I don't know what they made him out of. The head was like a plaster material, and I guess the rest of it was metal. And these are exact replicas of the three circus cars, with the exception of up in the filigree here, you'll see a very small word Pride on each car. So you know that it's Pride lines and not Lionel. You can't mistake it for a Lionel, because the Lionel is going to be so faded and so scratched from 1935. These cars are just beautiful. And this is the Mickey Mouse band with a wonderful calliope in the middle, and two of the three little pigs dancing, one with the flute, one with the fiddle. A character that appears to be Donald Duck playing a clarinet or something similar, and Mickey is a band leader. And then you go over and see the Mickey Mouse circus car and there's 3 different cages and minis on the left, hanging on to the outside of the cage where there's 2 tigers. There's a big friendly elephant in the middle eating hay, and there's 2 appears to be monkeys where Mickey's standing. And then you have the Mickey Mouse dining car on the end, and you'll see Mickey, a cow and a horse, and Minnie and Pluto inside the car. And it's too bad they didn't put a caboose on. I assume this was quite a lot of weight for this little, if this were a clockwork motor on this little locomotive to be pulling. So it probably wasn't a very good idea. So we're going to run this around. I'm not going to run it very fast. I don't want to damage the actuator and Mickey with trying to stoke the coal. Put it on a record here. Fun to have the black and white option for this camera, which it doesn't have. Make it look like I was filming in 1935. But I just feel very fortunate to have this set. It's one more off my bucket list. Give you a close-up of Mickey stoking the coal, and that'll be it. I'm going to put this baby back in its original box. and store it away where she won't get scratched. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I'll bring it around and stop it. Got it on my Z, which is a little harder to reach than my transformer for my outer track. But I think you've all seen something you've never seen before. And I've seen one old film with a fellow working one of these, and it would only pull one of the cars. It's just the clockwork motor wasn't strong enough. And you can see the Mickey moves quite a bit further than he has to. But this is cool. I'm sure if I had it as a kid, I would have destroyed it by now. Of course, I wasn't around in 1935, but thank goodness for Pride Lines and Marks and Trains for coming out and reissuing these wonderful cars and trains. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.